the business report, National Commercial Bank Jamaica has changed its top management team. CEO Bruce Bowen said the alignment will create a more seamless experience for the clients and enhance the bank's ability to deliver solutions at scale. At the center of the move is the promotion of Angus Young to Executive Vice President, Corporate and Investment Banking. Young, who remains Chief Executive Officer of NCB Capital Markets Limited, will now also oversee NCB's corporate banking division, bringing both arms of the business under one umbrella. As part of the changes, Carleen Lynn has been appointed Vice President, Corporate Banking. Meanwhile, Jason Saunders, Vice President of Corporate and Commercial Banking, has departed the bank after 5 years of service. Sangster International Airport has been named the Caribbean's leading airport 2025 by World Travel Awards, marking an unprecedented 17th consecutive win of the prestigious accolade. The announcement was made Saturday during the WTA Caribbean and North American Gala ceremony at the Sandals Grand St. Lucian Resort in St. Lucia. The ceremony was part of the organization's annual Grand Tour, which recognizes excellence across all key sectors of the travel, tourism, and hospitality industries worldwide. Chief Executive Officer of MBJ Airports, Shane Monroe, said the recognition further solidifies Sangster's position as the region's premier aviation gateway and underscores Jamaica's continued distinction in travel and tourism. In this third quarter, Scotia Life Insurance launched the Don't Leave Them Alone campaign to educate clients on the benefits of credit life protection. Deborah Lopez Spence, president of Scotia Jamaica Life Insurance Company, says this has been well received by the market. If clients become ill or worse, their debts will be expunged. Scotia says it's pleased to share that credit protection will also be available digitally for credit cards before the end of the calendar year. We'll now take a look at the market highlights with Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending October 6, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,146,444 units traded, representing 27.96% of market sales volume. Advertising and real estate holding firm Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited shares of 1,279,051 units traded, representing 11.37% of market sales volume. Fiberglass manufacturer JFP Limited shares of 956,556 units traded, representing 8.5% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 6, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $45.70 million purchased and US $48.40 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.11 per dollar, selling the US at $161.28 and buying the US at $159.17. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $6.42 per transaction, with selling at $116.28 and buying at $109.95. The British pound yielded Forex traders $7.92 in profit, with selling at $218.83 and buying at $210.91.